right, so on this page, on the previous page, we have something like this. So this is the day. So there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then here's the temperature that they give us. So this is already given to us. Monday, it was 5 degrees. Ooh, that is cold. Tuesday was -1 degrees. Ooh, that's even colder. Wednesday is -5.5. Thursday is -2 degrees. Friday's 3 degrees. Saturday's 4 degrees. Sunday is 0 degrees. So this is degrees Celsius. So it says plot the temperature on a number line. Which of the day of the week has the lowest low temperature? So when I'm thinking of lowest low temperature, am I thinking of warm or am I thinking of a cold? Lowest low. So when it's low, it's going down, right? So that means it should be the coldest temperature. So I just clicked on a random answer and here's the answer. So when I am plotting, when I plot it, I have Wednesdays is -5.5. Thursdays is -2. Tuesday, I have it at -1. Sunday is at 0. Friday is at 3. Saturday is at 4. And Monday is at 5 degrees Celsius. So remember, these numbers, I didn't just come up in my head. I just want to plot it wherever I want. So these numbers are coming from that chart that we just saw. So these dots I plotted from these numbers. Does that make sense? All right, so when I'm looking, which day of the week had the lowest temperature? So when I'm looking at this, I notice that this 0 to 3, is 0 colder or 3 colder? Think about it. If it's 0 degrees or 3 degrees, which one's colder? I think 0, right? So 0 degrees. So when I'm thinking of -1 degrees and 0 degrees, which one is colder? So I think -1 degrees would be colder. So what I'm noticing is that the further, let me draw this out for you. The further, I like blue. The further this way I go, the temperature gets colder or hotter? Colder. The more left I go, it gets colder. So now I'm trying to look at, because it is asking for the lowest temperature, I'm looking for the dot that is furthest to the left. So I am looking, this is not, because this is hot, this is right here. So this is actually my furthest left. There's no more dots to the left of this, right? So it would be Wednesday. Wednesday would be the day that had the lowest low temperature because it is furthest to the left. There's no other dots here like this that is to the left of Wednesday. So therefore Wednesday is the coldest. So when you go this way, it gets colder. When you go the other way, when you go this way, what happens to the temperature? What do you think? Colder. What's the opposite of colder? Hotter. So it gets not hotter. I would say warmer. W-A-R-M-E-R. So when it goes that way on a number line, it gets colder, or the numbers get smaller, right? When we go this way, this is fun. When you go this way, it gets warmer. So the numbers get bigger because 6 comes 7. After 7 is 8. After 8 is 9. After 9 is 10. So it gets warmer. The numbers gets bigger and it gets warmer.